How to use Metis with Imtoken. Creating a Metis account. Download Imtoken wallet to your phone. Create a new wallet or import your existing wallet. Once you created your wallet, select Add Accounts Now. Scroll down to the EVM section and select Metis. Click Confirm. Then, return to the wallet homepage to access your newly created Metis account. How to transfer Metis to Imtoken wallet from a centralized exchange. Click Receive. Copy the wallet address. Go to your Binance wallet or any wallet's exchanges. Click on Withdrawal and select Metis token. Paste the wallet address from Imtoken wallet. Select Metis network. Enter amount Metis token you want to transfer to Imtoken wallet. Click Withdraw. Click Confirm. Wait a little and then you will see the amount of Metis token you transferred from Binance to Imtoken wallet. If you want to explore DeFi dApps on Metis, simply click dApps. Now you can choose the dApps you want to explore and utilize to optimize your DeFi journey.